Our premium shampoo supports healthy hair growth while improving thickness and shine of damaged hair. Hair loss can be drastically reduced when caught early and treated effectively. Experience stimulated hair growth and strengthened follicles which promote healthy, thick, vibrant hair. Free from harsh chemicals which are the leading causes of many chronic hair conditions. Our A1Vitality Hair Growth Shampoo helps restore damaged thinning hair for women and men while being cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. We are proud to be SLS and sulfate-free with no parabens while using low-sensitivity surfactants. Premium ingredients are used in our formulated shampoo with a unique therapeutic blend of organic argan and tea tree oils, caffeine, keratin and biotin, the best of what nature has to offer. Argan oil stimulates the production of keratin, essential for new hair growth. Nettle, Palmetto, pumpkin seed and green tea are DHT blockers to help prevent testosterone, which leaves us more vulnerable to hair loss. Green tea softens and strengthens hair follicles while the antioxidant EGCG and caffeine helps regulate hair growth. Tea tree oil fights bacteria and fungi on our scalp, helps unclog pores that may be due to regular use of other hair products containing fillers and polymers, while removing dead skin which promotes growth. Biotin increases the elasticity of the cortex of a hair, prevents and minimizing breakage, stops dryness and promotes growth. Keratin creates a protective barrier on the hair while at the same time imparting shine. Optiphen is a paraben and formaldehyde-free preservative while the remaining ingredients are derived from coconut and 100% biodegradable and not considered carcinogens. No hassle money back guarantee. Because we're just like you and that's what we would want. Be good to yourself. Don't risk your health with harmful toxins and chemicals. Our natural SLS and sulfate-free hair growth shampoo is packed with the best of nature. And we've created the perfect hypoallergenic, gluten-free, paraben-free, color-safe, low-sensitivity surfactant shampoo, good for men and women. Stimulate your hair growth. Our shampoo has a unique therapeutic blend of wonderfully natural ingredients including organic argan oil, caffeine, biotin and organic tea tree oil, which stimulates anti-hair loss, strengthens follicles and promotes thick, vibrant, healthy hair. You can trust natural DHT blockers. A1Vitality Hair Growth Shampoo uses nettle, palmetto, pumpkin seed and green tea, which are the best natural DHT blockers, so no sulfates for you to worry about. DHT is produced by testosterone and created in our hair follicles where the more it produces, the more vulnerable we are to thinning and hair loss. Effective and gentle, our safe, reliable formula which is gentle enough for daily use yet effective for nourishing hair follicles, reversing damage to thinning hair and promoting cell growth and anti-hair loss, for both men and women while safe for use with color-treated hair. Best no hassle money back guarantee. Because we're just like you and that's what we would want. Proudly made in the USA, and if you're unhappy, get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.